try and show you, if I can, how I'm doing these things. So the first thing is, you notice I've measured like 3/4 of an inch back from each side. That's basically what the instructions for the Kreg pocket screws recommends, is 3/4 of an inch. So then what I do is I slide this piece on here, get it placed correctly so it's like right in the middle of the board, and then there's this clamp. I'm going to put the clamp in there to hold everything in place. And then the next step is to use the drill to drill out the holes. So you place that in there and then you drill. Jig makes it so you have a little pocket hole back behind where you can put your screws. So the screws are hidden, or they'll eventually come out here on the end into the other piece of LP board. And so I do that on both sides, and then because this has two pieces that go together, I also go down and do it 10, 20, and 30, and then also one here at the end. So you got here, middle, other end, and then the far end, but it has to be placed back far enough that it doesn't interfere with the placement of the other screw.